1个月的海运。
It's an awful house. I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice the second I get caught by that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down.
早安，我们要去海边喽。帕塔亚的天气好好。
Nothing feels the same without you now. And all my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting mine. But if you talk to me again, it'd be worth it. All my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a
快速
lifetime
扔出了。
to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the
我要
same
回曼谷了。而且很好笑的是，我们到最后一个位置，看一下，会飞远了，像我的脚。回曼谷，拜拜。
So comfortable, but no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes
我们
out
买到最后一份塔泰。
with you. I
好吃。 甜的不一样。
You must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. The way I feel when you walk in the room, when you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you.
今天行李都到了，我们要来准备拆箱，满满的18箱，等我慢慢拆。而且搬家公司其实很贴心，他有问我说要不要帮你每一个都拆好，然后物归原位。但是我根本不知道到底要放哪里，所以想说就算了吧。然后他很贴心，他还附了一个新的美工刀给我。终于拆完了，还有一堆箱子还没拆，然后这都是保护的纸，超大一叠 ，Oh my god！ 继续加油 ，Go！ 现在要去朱拉隆功大学附近吃饭。这是30块的可乐，超大。今天吃陶罐火锅。这个超级好吃的。来这里一定要点炸的花肉。你要点这个。有好多2手的相机超酷吧。在这个市集买了这一支超疗愈。晚上来散步，解锁在泰国搭公车，还有
变是一个原味。